Okay, we are back at Tomlan Road. Alex is finished, and as has Dean, so builder and decorator is finished. And I'm just now going to do a quick snagging and also have a look at the flooring as well. So in the porch, that needs a good clean. I'm going to ask Helen to see if this is something she can clean or not, or what's the best way to get rid of all this sort of old paint along here. I'm going to ask Alex to paint this as well along here, but otherwise this should be fine. This is going to be leveled when Dean gets back, and then we'll put commercial carpeting here as well. Otherwise it should be fine. I'll ask Alex to go around, get a bunch of light bulbs. That's the fitting there, and then to essentially make sure that every light socket has a light bulb. We need to remove that and then repaint over it. That's sticking out. So these old radiators, fortunately, because we're not replacing them on a white wall, they are going to stick out. Apparently that's the most matching colour. That colour was what was recommended to Alex to best match the original colour. That's not a good colour. So I have asked Dean to get a quote to replace these doors anyway. We thought I'd give it a try. We can potentially try a different colour, but these aren't the right glass, so we do need to change it. That needs to be removed as well. Just touch up on the paint along here and there. And then again, I have to ask Helen if this is something she's able to clean or not. Touch up the paintwork along there as well. When the flooring goes down, this place will look completely different. Okay. Living room. It looks really spacious. That grill needs to be changed, and then we need a new light bulb in there. But otherwise, everything should look quite good. I have to have a look at these down here, maybe retouch up the paint as well because they've cracked. So it might need another coating. We have to make a decision on these windows. Now, do we want curtain poles throughout and then the tenants supply their own curtains? Or are we going to fit blinds throughout? Blinds aren't expensive, but obviously the costs start to mount up, and then there's ongoing maintenance as well. So when it's not raining right now, but we need to make sure this is watertight. Okay, that's the radiator. Radiator needs to be put back on. So I mentioned last time, for some reason I kept saying lino for the ground floor. What I meant was hardwood or LVT. Now, unfortunately, the fitters have been out and they advised that these floors aren't flat enough, and I think they're on raised bed anyway. So we can't level these off. So I've been to the suppliers and taken a look at some laminate options, which should work quite well down here, and I will show an example of the 3 different laminate designs I've picked now. And this one, and this one. And you can let me know which one is your favourite. So we'll laminate there, the lino in there, and this will be medium grey carpets. Now, again, the same wood colour being used along here. I think these just need to be painted a darker wood colour, or just painted white. Bedroom's all fine, so basically just needs a new, just need light bulbs in them. New doors, new door furniture. Looks nice. That needs to be removed at the end. It's a nice blossom tree. Again, so do we need to decide if we're putting in curtain poles or not. So essentially it's one curtain pole for each bedroom. They're about £20 each. There's 3 bedrooms. There's and then there's in the bathroom. Bathroom's probably gonna need blinds. Kitchen's gonna need blinds. Then in the living room, there's there's 2 set of windows in the living room as well. Final bedroom. Actually, if you look at the people's front gardens, they're really well maintained. And the doors have actually come out really well, so that's a big win. Touch up there. Bathroom. Bathrooms is very simple. I mean, this was all redone, so there's really not much to do here other than test the water, which I believe Dean has done. That just needs cleaning up. That just needs cleaning up, really. Yep. Okay, what's this there? Oh, there's a lock in here. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We let and manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. Let's just have a look at the neighbours. And if you like this sort of stuff, please don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.